Hey, what's up YouTube? So in today's video I'm going to be turning my old spoiled laptop. I had this laptop playing around for over close to 3 years now, so I'm going to be turning this laptop to my new streaming device. So this is the laptop right here. As you can see, this laptop is spoiled. This is the screen. What the heck? It just fell down just now. I didn't mean for that to happen. Anyways, this is the laptop and this is the screen. The screen is actually broken. As you can tell, is damaged. As you can see. So I was able to connect. Oh fuck, because it fell down, so it had to run into some errors. Anyways, I'm just going to reboot that real quick. So I had to turn this laptop. I had to extend the screen to this Samsung phone. As you can see, this is a phone. Okay, let me show you guys. I don't want no. Okay. Anyways, I'm just going to cut that part. So to cut the long story short, this laptop wasn't connecting to HDMI cable. So I'm going to talk about all that. How I was able to connect the laptop to the HDMI cable, and I was able to make that work out, because normally if I connect the HDMI into the laptop, it was not going to display anything, and I had some issues while doing that. So in this video I'm going to walk you guys through all the process. I know it's been a while I made a YouTube video, and that was actually because my YouTube email actually got hacked. There was some hackers that was messing around with me. They were hacking all the stuffs. Like, I think as a kid, just hacking into my email for games. They were trying to hack into my Steam account, into my battle.net, and they got my Fortnite account, and so I just lost that email. So due to the fact that I added my other emails as my manager, that was why I'm still able to upload YouTube video for you guys, because actually I had given up on making YouTube video. But since I noticed that they didn't touch my YouTube account, that was why I just decided to, okay, why not continue uploading content, since they didn't actually touch my YouTube account. Probably because they saw that maybe I'm just upcoming, or probably because I'm not verified by AdSense. So anyways, I was bored of making, actually, the if you watch my YouTube videos, you will know that I actually planned on making videos concerning, like, video tutorials concerning teaching you guys how I can start making, how to guide people on how to start making applications on their phone, like mobile app. I wanted to start teaching people on how to make mobile app and how they can earn money with mobile app through Google AdMo. So I was unable to do that because I actually lost my inspiration, or like actually lost like the vibe, since the whole hacking thing just got to me. Anyways, so I just got bored and I decided to turn that old laptop to my streaming laptop, and I had some issues with connecting HDMI to the laptop because the laptop screen was broken, so I couldn't see anything, and I could not bypass the boot the BIOS, I think is a BIOS boot manager. The laptop had some virus, so it wouldn't load up, and I could not access the BIOS boot manager. So I was able to just figure all that out, and yeah, I made it work. So, and I actually made my Samsung phone. I actually turned my Samsung phone to the screen, to the monitor, because I don't want to spend any money with the monitor. I actually have this is my main laptop right here, but I use that to game. So, and I use that to work and edit. So yeah, let me show you guys the Samsung I turned. I'm going to just switch my camera to the other lens so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is the sport laptop, and this is the main monitor, but this is the other second monitor. So this is the first monitor and that's the second monitor. So, and this actually, this laptop was touchscreen before it broke, and I disconnected it. I just removed it from the whole laptop, so it's actually going to work as touchscreen. So as you can see, if I click on Windows, it's going to open. If I open, okay, Edge is going to open, because yeah, it's a touchscreen, and this is phone. This is Samsung phone. I'm going to show you guys this is Samsung phone real quick. As you can see, this is a Samsung phone. So yeah. So if you want to know how I was able to walk all through this whole process, just stick around to the end of this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, so it can keep me motivated to make the other types of video that I said I was going to make and talk about, because I actually wanted to guide people on how they can make money through mobile apps with the help of Google AdMob. So I wanted to guide them how to make mobile apps with iOS and for Android and stuff like that with Android Studio with the help of Swift Code and Flutter and all that. So yeah, just stick around and bye. So let me just go and bring my laptop inside real quick. Yep, because I left it in the sitting room, so I'm going to bring it right back to my space. So I'm going to disconnect it, the HDMI cable, and yeah, signal lost. So I'm just going to carry this old sporting. I guess this is a good thumbnail. So I'm going to take that as a thumbnail anyways. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna lock the door real quick because I don't want anyone spying on me. Until I leave it alone, so all that is not gonna happen anyways. So as you can see, this is still my Samsung and the display is still right here. As you can see, the display is still right here on the screen. And this is the laptop. So it's nothing connected without any cables. And that's it. And this is the display right here. And I can actually have access to it. So let me just switch my camera real quick. Yeah, see. As you can see, everything is working fine. I can just click on Windows. Okay. Windows, and I can just press on Explorer. I can just open anything and it's going to open while the laptop monitor is right in my hand and the motherboard and everything is on my lap without any help of any distance. So I'm going to guide you through how I was able to do all this. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, hey, welcome guys. So I'm trying to turn this broken laptop. This screen is actually broken, and as you can see, it's smashed. It's actually the touch screen. So the touch screen. Okay. Anyways, let me connect it real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So literally, what I'm trying to do right here is I had this laptop playing around for quite a while now. So I'm trying to turn the laptop to like a gaming, like a streaming kind of laptop, because this is my current laptop that I'm using to watch this video right now. I don't want it to undo like the gaming and undo the streaming because it kind of give me some lags. So I was just trying to turn this PC that you can, this laptop that you can see right here on my hand. The screen is broken. I actually removed the screen. So I'm trying to turn it to like my streaming device. So I had some issues with this laptop before. It had some virus into it, so the laptop won't load. Like it was just stuck at the BIOS boot, which is BIOS boot manager. So whenever I plug in the HDMI, it won't load to the Wacom screen. To just be stuck at the BIOS boot manager. So what I was able to do to fix it was that I removed this screen. This was the wire connected to the screen. So I had to remove this wire and I had to remove the battery. Then when I plugged in the HDMI and I turned on the laptop, it was able to see this laptop as a PC directly. Like it was able to display the screen anyways on the HDMI. So that was what I was trying to figure out. While I was making this video, I didn't know how to figure this out. So I just had to do plenty trials and errors before I was able to figure it out. I'm going to connect the display. I just hope it doesn't mess up the settings I've been able to do. So you guys should not make a mistake like I did, because the stuff kind of sparked. So I had to remove the charger. I can actually spoil something. I did it again. Inside. I don't see, because this video is like 18 minutes long, so I don't want to be so long. I need to turn it on first. So that's what I did. Okay, so it lost literally, balance, as you can see, this was the screen before. I want to show you guys what it looks like actually. Okay, you guys should see the screen. The screen was damaged. I couldn't see anything. As you can see, the screen is actually messed up anymore. So I guess if I disconnect the I don't know how it's going to be power. I'm going to put it back. So when I just removed it and okay. You just have to disconnect for you to connect the play. So that and this one as yeah, this is what I was talking about. Isn't going to boot up. Hold on. So, anyways, my word. I don't know, it's just stuck at this screen. So that's why I'm trying to download the new Windows on the flash drive. So what I was able to do was I downloaded the new Windows on my flash drive and I erased and I kind of load the new Windows on this laptop that was spoiled. Then the stuff kind of worked. But it took a long time, it took like 2 days. It took me 2 days for me to figure this out, but I don't want to cut the long story short. Laptop, my gaming laptop, like my streaming, and this is my gaming laptop. I did explain it to you guys earlier, so I'm not trying to make this video the workload is too much for this PC. So that's why I'm trying to figure this out and just kind of divert everything and spread the work. So it can be easier for this laptop to process only the gaming, and it can be easier for this sports laptop to process. I don't just know why. So I just kind of I loaded the flash drive with the Windows on it inside the other sports laptop, and I kind of boot it. So I did that. Right now, I'm trying to install the new Windows 10 I just downloaded on the hard drive. So for me to do that, I'm just going to click on the USB storage device. I'm going to boot up the Windows from the USB. I'm going to press enter real quick. I'm going to let it load. I'm just this wide angle camera. That's what I did. Literally, and I installed it. The way I did it now, you can, I can connect my spoiled laptop to the screen. Like, okay, that's nothing special, anyways, with the HDMI cable. So the other way I did it was without the help of this TV, I can now see my phone, my laptop through my phone. So the other way I did it was I connected my Samsung phone. Okay, my Samsung phone. This is my Samsung phone, right? So I connected this Samsung phone to the sports laptop. So this I'll be using this as my main screen, like my monitor. Phone. So this is how I'm going to do it now. So with the help of this app, I just want to fast forward this real quick. I don't want this video to be so long. Because normally it's meant to be laptop. Exactly. So as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. So you don't need to open the software. So far your Wi-Fi on your phone is on, then it's going to turn your phone as the main screen. So as you can see now, if I remove the HDMI cable, this will turn to the main screen because that was the second screen before. As you can see, this is the main screen right now. So as I remove the HDMI, it's removed the first monitor, which was the TV, and it transferred it to the phone. What I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to see if I can share this laptop screen to my other laptop. So the other stuff I wanted to do was that I tried to share my sport laptop to the screen to my main laptop. So I was able to figure that out. And what I did, just stay tuned, and I'm going to end the video right here. I'm not sure I made a video about that, so I'm just going to show you guys what I did to transfer the screen. So what I just had to do was to install this Google Chrome remote desktop. I installed it on my laptop and actually installed it on the other sport laptop. So that was how I was able to connect the two screens together. That I could access my sports laptop with my current laptop. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but yeah, that's it. So I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. So I'm just going to open my system real quick. My main mission for making this video was because I wanted to turn this sport laptop to my streaming laptop. So I was able to achieve that, and it's kind of worked. So just see how I figured it out. Studio on my phone. It's going to open, but hold on. Let me hold it down, then try it again. Okay. I can actually run it as administrator. So I'm just going to click on. If you are wondering why I can touch the screen, like I can touch it with the touch screen, was because my former laptop was a touch screen. So it was working as a touch screen because my phone, this is a Samsung phone, obviously, so it's a touch screen. So that's all That's how I'm able to access everything with my without the help of a mouse or keyboard. Everything was just through my phone because it's of the touch screen. Run as I don't know why this stuff is so blurry, but as administrator. So as you can see, the TikTok studio is working fine. I perhaps get another laptop or monitor or whatever. To fix this out and figure it out. So as you can see, camera. I already said this earlier. I love seeing as you can see too much. The touch screen I can minimize. So as you can see, okay, let me wave at the camera right here. So that's the Google Chrome desktop, as you can see right here. So I can actually access my spoiled laptop with my current laptop with the help of this Google Chrome desktop. If you don't, if you can actually, there are a lot of videos for you to set it up. So I don't want to make this video so long because I know this video is too long. That's why I had to shorten it down. We'll make a video for it. It's going to show my game. It's going to show that it's showing on the live and to show to where it is. Okay. So I went live and it worked perfectly as I predicted. So this is my girlfriend phone to check the live. This is my life and this is me right now. So everything work as I expected it to do. And that is my streaming setup on the floor. There on the floor. Yeah, it's good. But I don't know why the sound is not working. I don't know. I've not figured out yet. So I love the game. I had some weird issues while I was trying to set up the TikTok live studio. Like the sound on my gaming laptop was not sending to, because I actually connected it with the help of the capture card. Show you guys the capture card real quick. I connected this laptop with the help of the capture card to this my other laptop with the HDMI cable. So it wasn't sending sound from this laptop to my other sports laptop, which is right here. So the only thing you have to do is just to go to settings, the sound settings, and you will see HDMI to HDMI USB HDMI to HDMI. So you don't have to change that settings. I didn't make a video, but anyways, that was all I did to figure it out for it to send the sounds to the other laptop. So don't be like me. I don't know if I've talked about this earlier. My YouTube email got hacked. I think I don't even know how my password got leaked, but it got hacked. And stupidly, I didn't have two-factor authenticator on that email. So I lost that email. I lost it for good. So that's why I haven't uploaded any video since like over a month now, because I actually planned on uploading video every Friday, but I was so depressed because I lost the email and I could not have access to my YouTube email. But luckily for me, I added some of my emails as YouTube manager, so I can still have access to the YouTube channel and everything. But right now, I don't know who has my email, so the person can just choose to delete my YouTube channel or he can choose to do anything. But since over 1 month now, I noticed the guy didn't touch my email. I noticed the guy didn't touch my YouTube channel that was connected to the email. So luckily, maybe he didn't know that the email was connected to a YouTube channel. So that's why, because he hacked my old Fortnite account. I don't play Fortnite. He tried hacking my Warzone account, my Steam, and why I was fast about that. I changed my password real quick and I enabled two-factor authenticator, so I was not able to enter those account anyways. But my Fortnite, I just left it for him because I don't play Fortnite. I don't use the account, though I purchased a lot of stuff on that account while I was playing it back then, but I just gave up. So my advice for you guys is to always make sure your email is connected to two-factor authenticator. You can use Google Authenticator, or there are a lot of other authenticator out there. If you can do that, trust me, all your accounts will be saved. That was a mistake I did, which I won't be making that type of mistake anymore in the future. So if you like this video, if you feel it was helpful for you guys, like this video. And I actually plan on making YouTube videos concerning teaching people on how to make mobile apps for them to know how they can earn money with that. So if you want me to still make videos about that, just make sure you like this video and and yeah, share it and comment. So thank you all.